If your legs feel heavy on the stairs, if your toes turn cold at night, or if you get a tight, uneasy feeling in your chest after a rich meal, there's a good chance silent artery cloggers are sneaking onto your plate. The surprising part: they aren't just in fast food. They hide in healthy granola bars, coffee creamers, crackers, and even the oil your favorite restaurant uses. Here's the good news. When you stop eating 5 specific fats and swap them for heart-smart choices, many people notice steadier blood pressure, calmer digestion, and easier walks in as little as 2 to 4 weeks. That's because the wrong fats raise small, sticky LDL particles and inflammation that help plaque grow, while the right fats support flexible, resilient arteries. Stay with me and you'll know exactly which 5 fats to drop, how to replace them with foods you'll actually enjoy, and a 10-second label trick that protects you from fake healthy products. If you'd like my one-page grocery swap list, type heart in the comments and I'll share it there. Did you know a non-dairy creamer can act like fast food in a cup? Or that reheated fryer oil can be worse than the original oil? Here's something you might not expect. The biggest trouble isn't always butter or cheese by themselves. It's when saturated fat teams up with white flour and sugar. That combo creates a traffic jam for your arteries. In a minute, I'll show you a simple pantry check you can do in under a minute to clear those risks fast. A quick story. Not long ago, I met Mr. L, a soft-spoken 72-year-old who loved his morning pastry, a creamy afternoon coffee, and crispy takeout on Fridays. He also had leg cramps at night and felt winded walking to the mailbox. We didn't chase perfection. We went food first. Olive oil for most cooking, avocado oil for higher heat, salmon twice a week, nuts instead of pastries, real milk or unsweetened oat milk instead of powdered creamer. And we skipped anything with partially hydrogenated shortening or palm-kernel oil on the label. 4 weeks later, he told me, "The stairs feel kinder. Night cramps were rare and his clinician was happy with his numbers. Small changes, big wins. That's what I want for you." I'm a health scientist and coach who helps older adults support arteries, blood pressure, and energy without complicated diets. My approach is evidence-informed and conservative, simple foods, first supplements only when they're truly needed, and always in partnership with your clinician. This is education, not personal medical advice. If you use statins, blood thinners, or diabetes medications, check in with your care team as you make changes. Let's make this simple. Arteries clog when cholesterol, inflammation, and oxidation come together. Certain processed or overheated fats create more small, dense LDL tiny particles that slip into the artery wall and irritate it. As we age, our bodies clear those particles a bit slower, so our food choices matter even more. Here are the 5 fats to stop and what to do instead. Number 1, partially hydrogenated oils. Industrial trans fats. On labels, look for partially hydrogenated or shortening. They often hide in older or imported baked goods, frosting, stick margarines, and long shelf life snacks. These fats raise LDL and lower HDL, turning up inflammation like a blowtorch. If it says partially hydrogenated, it goes back on the shelf. Swap to foods baked with olive oil or real butter in small amounts, or choose simple, minimally processed said snacks. Think plain nuts or air-popped popcorn with olive oil. Number 2, reheated or deep fryer oils. The clue words are crispy golden or double fried, and you'll see them most in fries, battered fish, onion rings, and busy takeout counters. Each reheating step damages the oil, further creating oxidized fats that irritate the artery lining. Your body treats those like damaged goods, and inflammation follows. When you want, crunch bake or air fry at home with a fresh, stable oil instead. Number 3, palm and palm kernel oil in ultra-processed snacks. Scan for palm or palm kernel among the first 3 ingredients in crackers, cookies, instant noodles, and packaged pastries. Palm-based fats are high in palmitic acid and inside processed foods. They tend to push LDL higher. Whole food fats behave differently. If you want a cookie, choose a short ingredient list and enjoy a small portion. If you want something daily, switch to fruit with a handful of nuts. Number 4, high omega-6 refined seed oils pushed past their smoke point, often soybean, corn, or generic vegetable oil blends. These can be fine cold or at gentle heat, but at high heat, they're more prone to oxidation. That's a problem on hot grills, fast food griddles, and deep fryers, and in some bottled dressings that sit for months. Balance matters. Use these oils sparingly and bring in more omega-3s from fish, walnuts, flax, and chia. For cooking, choose oils that match your temperature: extra virgin olive oil for low to medium heat, and dressings avocado oil for higher heat sautéing or roasting. Number 5. Excess saturated fat. Combined with refined carbs, the croissant with butter, the stuffed pastry, the creamy pasta made with white flour. It's the combo that's the clogger. That mix spikes the most atherogenic particles more than either one alone. You don't have to give up comfort. Shift the base to whole grains, add lean protein or beans for fiber, and make sauces creamy with Greek yogurt or cottage cheese. Now for the food-first swaps, you can start today. For cooking, keep 2 bottles on the counter: extra virgin olive oil for everyday sautéing soups and dressings, avocado oil for higher temperature roasting. Use a small spoon of ghee if you want buttery flavor with better heat tolerance. For proteins, rotate salmon, sardines, or trout twice a week for omega-3s. Enjoy beans and lentils for fiber that helps clear cholesterol. Add poultry, tofu, or tempeh when you want something light. For snacks and toppings, reach for walnuts, almonds, or pistachios, and sprinkle ground flax or chia on oatmeal or yogurt. For creamy textures, use plain Greek yogurt or cottage cheese to make sauces silky without heavy cream. For dressings, shake 2 parts olive oil with 1 part lemon or vinegar, salt, pepper, and a touch of mustard in a small jar. You'll skip the seed oil blends and extra sugar hiding in many bottles. Here's your 10-second label check. Scan the first 3 ingredients. If you see partially hydrogenated shortening palm-kernel vegetable oil, blend creamer or menu words. Like fried and crispy, put it back and choose a cleaner option. If you can't pronounce it, you probably don't need it. A gentle safety note: changing your fats can improve your cholesterol and inflammation markers, which is great. But that can also mean your medication doses need a review. If you're on statins, blood thinners, or diabetes meds, keep your clinician in the loop as you make these shifts. Let's lock this in with a 60-second pantry check. Toss anything that lists partially hydrogenated or shortening. Limit products with palm or palm-kernel high on the label. Avoid fried or refried takeout. Bake or air fry at home with fresh oil. Swap bottled dressings for your quick olive oil vinaigrette. Trade pastries and heavy cream sauces for whole grains topped with yogurt-based sauces. Small, steady steps add up. Your arteries will thank you. If this was helpful, please tap like it tells me to create more artery-friendly, senior-safe nutrition videos. Comment, heart, and share 1 fat. You'll cut this week. I'll reply with a simple, tasty swap you'll actually enjoy. And if you know someone who loves pastries or fried foods, share this video and start a gentle change together. For practical, science-informed tips that keep you strong, steady, and independent, hit subscribe and stay with us for more.